And to help ease the strain on our hospitals, state leaders are calling on the Utah National Guard. Starting Thursday, about 50 Guard members will be assisting long-term care facilities because of nursing and staffing shortages. ABC4's Jordan Burroughs talking to the volunteers today and those getting assistance. He's live in Salt Lake City. And Jordan, why are they doing this now?
Glenn, good question. The state, from what I was told, has been thinking about doing this for several weeks, even a couple months, but they finally last week stepped up to get this done. The National Guardsmen and women I spoke to say they're going to do all they can on this volunteer basis to help curb COVID-19. It takes 2 days of training to get around 50 Utah National Guardsmen and women up to speed.
These are volunteers, and this is tremendous. We're just so impressed and just pleased that they stepped up, and those men and women in that room are truly heroes.
The volunteers need to learn how to take care of someone in a long-term care facility, from day-to-day activities to eating and grooming and even safety techniques.
Don't put the thumb up like that. We want the hand flat.
Like the Heimlich maneuver.
We're all honored to serve. I mean, that's why we put the uniform on, is to serve the community, and especially in the Guard. We're a service-based community organization.
Lieutenant Colonel Eric Wiedmeyer has been in contact with state leaders to get this done. Until at least the end of February, Guard members will be assigned work at a facility for 1 to 2 weeks at a time, while rotating to other facilities as needed. This includes 16 facilities operated by the Avalon Healthcare Group, which is in charge of training the volunteers. The volunteers will then fill in because many facilities are understaffed due to the Omicron surge.
Well, the staff of healthcare facilities for the last 2 years have been in a battle, and COVID has been very difficult for them. They're stressed.
Brian Gross, the regional vice president of Avalon Healthcare Group, says this is the relief they need. And Lieutenant Colonel Wiedmeyer says he and his fellow service members are happy to provide that.
We've had service members that have been on for 2 years helping with COVID. With these service members coming on for this new mission, they're going to come away from it feeling a sense of accomplishment, that they help provide some relief to families.
All of those Utah National Guards men and women are vaccinated, and we're also told they have 1 day left of training in this building behind me. So on Thursday, they'll go to those long-term care facilities to help where they need it. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Jordan Burroughs, ABC4 News.